tuned. I am going to announce the date of the restock on the channel. Let me say that again. I am going to announce the date of the restock on the YouTube channel. So if you are here right now, you are going to know first about the restock. You are going to be the first to know about the restock date and time. So I would suggest you tell your friends that want to be in that itsFROstrated or FRObae shirts to subscribe to the channel, because that's how they're going to know about the restock. Don't say I didn't tell you. Don't say I didn't warn you. If you're not following the channel, I would suggest you do so. That's all I'm going to say. Guys, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to come and say that I am back into the swing of things. I actually did my makeup for some other content on TikTok, but I wanted to come on here and just say hello. First of all, if you're new here, my name is Tyler. Welcome back. This is itsFROstrated, the channel. First of all, I have been loving these mini braids. These are some kind of uh-ohs that I've made out of faux locks that I was going to do. End up not doing because of the breakout that I had from the faux locks that I actually was getting ready to install. However, these little mini braids came from that, and I actually styled them in a like high bun, and then literally was like, okay, wait, this is kind of cute. So I have them in some like really loose buns now. They've been in for about 2.5 weeks, and I absolutely love them. Want to kind of give you guys the pros and cons on Pro. It's super cute, super simple. Something that I think I will continue to do depending on the size that you guys would want to do. A con is the time. If you're a lazy natural like me, depending on how small you want them, these are considered mini. If you want them to be a little bit bigger, you can of course make them bigger. But it took me a while to do this, and I blow dried, halfway blow dried, and you know, made sure that my roots and stuff were really straight so I wouldn't have any issues. But that took like 3 hours for me. But I got a lot of hair, so if you don't have a lot of hair or you got some help, time may not be a factor for you. Another pro is that, like I said earlier, you can accessorize, and with accessorizing, that means that it essentially becomes a protective style, so you can kind of stretch out the time that you actually have the style. For me, I obviously, as you can see, I have a lot of frizz, and I frizz a lot sooner than normal. So if you're like me and you have a lot of frizz, or you experience a lot of frizz with your normal natural styles, this may not be the style for you for long term, depending on if you want to do something like for a week or two, if you want to extend it out 3 weeks to almost a month. Another pro for me is that I don't have to do my hair. And I know that sounds crazy, but sometimes when you have a full-time job and you're tired, especially if you're a content creator, you want a style that you can get up and go. This is the style for that. If you like to get creative, switch it up, I would recommend this as well. I know I keep saying that, but it's truly something that for this summer, if you're like me and you like to switch it up for the summertime, but you may not have the funds to or the energy to, this might be our new girl. Like, this might be that. And yeah, this is pretty simple, guys. I honestly loved it. I did not do a tutorial on it because, like I said, my intentions were to record the faux lock process rather than the mini braids, because you see so many mini braid videos prior to the faux lock actually installed. So I was like, well, I'll just do my install rather than recording something that y'all have seen a million times. So I apologize. If you guys want to see the tutorial, let me know. I don't know that I'm going to take this down and redo it, because honestly my intentions were to put the faux locks in. But I like her. She's really, really light, like on my head. The only thing I do for maintenance is put a leave-in conditioner in, whatever leave-in conditioner that you would normally use for like your daily routine. I add a moisturizer just to make sure that my ends are secure and that I don't have split ends or fairy knots or anything like that. I do oil at night. I do a light oil, like a tea tree oil, every other day. That way I'm not saturating it so much to where it's like flat on my face. And I actually add a mousse to my edges and anywhere that if I style it, it's like really frizzy. I add a little mousse on it, and of course I wrap it up, scarf, and a bonnet, because my hair is real disrespectful. And I go to bed and I wake up You know, depending on what style I have at that time, I might, you know, spruce out the curls on one end or whatever, and then it's done. Just about wraps up this, guys. I just wanted to give you guys a cute little look. Yes, my edges and my face are two different colors. It works the same way with my hands. I don't really know how makeup works yet, so don't judge me. However, yeah, these mini braids are definitely a summer style. I will, like I said, if y'all want to see more styles like this that are like super simple, that don't require extra hair or anything like that, let me know, because I'm in my creative process when it comes to natural hair right now. So I'm like eager to find other styles that I ain't gotta pay money for, because I got enough hair on my head. And that's what I'm realizing nowadays. Like, I have enough hair on my head to do a lot of the styles that I'm trying to pay for. So now I'm just trying to learn the fundamentals, and then kind of teach y'all as I learn. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I told myself when we get to our next milestone, which is going to be 700 subscribers, that I was going to probably give you guys the second summer color. I don't know, depending on how well we do. But here's the thing. The summer and any collection that we do outside of the OG classics are going to be limited edition. With this peach color, I'm going to give you guys a visual, of course, because I don't want you just buying stuff based off of word of mouth. But I like the idea of my small group of people having that color that you can't get anymore, or that color that may not restock. And it kind of builds up the sizzle. So I'm not going to tell you how many shirts, but just know they're going to be limited edition. So you need to get your hands on that sunset peach color before it sells out. Listen, if you do not follow me on Instagram, and you did not see how the restock happened and how I received some very, very strong but friendly DMs and messages about, you know, people who did not get the t-shirts and the merch. Listen, I'm telling you, cop it before it's gone, because they are literally waiting. And it's just weird to even say that, but I'm grateful. I'm happy. I want you guys to stay tuned. See y'all in the next video.